Hey guys, I'm Cass. I'm from the Perris Library and today we'll be making flower pens. For this project, you will need pens, wire cutters, green floral tape, hot glue gun, and of course, some fake flowers. If you didn't catch all that, don't worry, I wrote it down all for you, even added one more item. Please, have a parent or guardian help you with this project as some of these materials will be hard to handle by yourself. First, let's start by cleaning up our area. Now we're going to take out our pen and let's take that cap off. We don't need it and we are never going to need it, so throw it away forever. Next, we are going to plug in our hot glue gun. We aren't going to use it right now, but set it aside so it can get hot before we use it. Let's move on to our fake flowers. Right now I'm cutting as close to the stem as I can. I would suggest you doing this as well. Please be careful with your fingers. You don't want to cut them off. Once you figure out the flowers you want, it's time to choose how you're going to place them. These are the flowers I chose to use. I'm going to grab my hot glue gun that I set aside and pour the glue around my pen, like this. I started with the biggest one because I think it would be easier to surround the little ones around the big flower. As you can see, I started to put more hot glue on there. Don't be afraid to use more hot glue than what I'm using, but please be careful as the glue is hot. Once you're done using your hot glue, you can now take out your green floral tape. I started to wrap from the top of the pen and made my way all the way down to the tip. Then I worked my way all the way up again so I can have more than one layer. I tried to find scissors, but I didn't have any near me. That's why I suggested them in the beginning for you. I tried to save some of the flowers by re-gluing them on. You just need to use your hot glue and carefully put them back on. I didn't want the glue to show, so I decided to hide it with the green floral tape, just to make it look nice and neat. I kept wrapping it until I felt comfortable on how nice it looked. Let's see how it turned out. I did make more than one, since I really had fun making this project. And yes, you can write with these pens. Now let's move on to our book recommendation for this video. I don't know about you, but when I think of flowers, I think of spring. So the Springtime Blossoms from the Bradford Street Buddies series is the perfect book for this video. It's written by Jardine Nolan and illustrated by Michelle Henninger. The Bradford Street Buddies are looking for signs of spring. What are those signs? Check it out to find out. For more information on these books or books like this, please visit our website. You can find more resources for books like this from all our Riverside County branches near you. Thank you for watching!